This is an anti-unboxing video of a Vudu scope because this is a pre-production model. There weren't any retail versions, so you get to take a look at this without necessarily all the components you would get when you bought a retail version. So this is a Vudu 5x25 by 50 scope made in Japan, and the claim to fame here, as you can see, it's super short, which is obviously great for people who want to mount it on a rail with any accessories on the front. And I suspect that this was, being that it's made by Eotech, certainly focused on military applications. This has solid knurled feeling turrets here, which lock. So you can see that they lock up and down, which is great. They feel well made, it feels solid and well constructed. It's got a capped windage turret because they're expecting you to use a reticle, I guess. A little mushier on the windage than on the elevation, but again, I expect they're looking for you to use the reticle for any windage calls. It's obviously well sealed, tactile feeling, parallax and illuminated reticle. But the main thing about this scope is it's very, very short. Let's just take a quick look at the weight of it. So you can see 1 pound, 13 ounces, pretty solid scope considering its size, but it packs a punch because it's still 5x25, even though it's in such a short form factor. So that is the Vudu 5x25 Eotech scope.